I'm Rohan and I'm a member of the Think Loud MUN tribe at Openhouse. And this is why I believe of Switzerland's neutrality to be the best foreign policy. Switzerland is a country that has remained neutral in global affairs for over 2 centuries now. Heck, they stayed out of both world wars and the Cold War. Unsurprisingly, they haven't joined NATO or the EU. And coming back to the world wars, staying out of the First World War was easy for Switzerland, but it was the complete opposite when it came to the Second World War. To prevent any foreign state from infiltrating Switzerland, Switzerland practically bombed tunnels, roads, and bridges at the borders. This made it impossible for any foreign state to infiltrate Switzerland or even enter Switzerland. To this date, Swiss roads are installed with explosives. Apart from that, Switzerland joined the UN in 2002, a decade after North Korea, supporting their motion of neutrality. Thank you.